Ever feel like your credit score is that one friend who never texts back? Yeah, me too. That's why I checked out the Merrick Bank Double Your Line card, and trust me, this one actually responds. Well, if you use it right. This card is built for people with fair or poor credit trying to rebuild. Every purchase, payment, and account update is reported to all three major credit bureaus. Basically, it tells your credit score, hey, look at me, I'm responsible. Here's the cool part, after 7 months, your credit limit automatically doubles. No calls, no extra deposits, nothing. Just boom, more credit. And the unsecured version, no security deposit needed, which is perfect if you don't want to lock away a few $100. Plus, you get free monthly FICO score updates to track your progress. Now, the not so fun stuff. The card has high fees, a steep APR, and sadly, no rewards program. You can't even apply online. You need a mail offer first, so it's definitely not for someone looking for cashback or perks. Bottom line, if you're disciplined, pay your balance in full, and just want to rebuild credit, this card is solid. That automatic limit increase is like a pat on the back from your credit score. Just keep an eye on those fees and interest rates. So if your credit's been ghosting you, maybe give Merrick a shot. Your score might finally start texting back.